Understanding alternate nostril breathing.
Alternate nostril breathing is a simple yet powerful breathing technique from yoga. It involves breathing through one nostril at a time, while gently closing the other with your fingers. This practice is believed to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and restore balance to both body and mind.
How it works, the science behind the practice.
By slowing your breath and focusing attention, alternate nostril breathing helps activate the body's relaxation response. Research suggests it may balance the nervous system, decrease stress hormones, and improve focus. Many people report feeling calmer and more mentally clear after practicing for just a few minutes.
A step-by-step guide to practice.
Begin by sitting comfortably with your back straight. Use your right thumb to gently close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release your right nostril and exhale slowly through the right. Repeat this pattern, switching nostrils with each breath.
Tips for effective practice.
Practice in a quiet space and keep your shoulders relaxed. Breathe gently. Never force your breath. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase as you become comfortable. If you feel dizzy or lightheaded, pause and try again later.
Benefits for mind and body.
Regular practice of alternate nostril breathing can help reduce anxiety, ease mental tension, and enhance concentration. Some people also notice improved energy and a greater sense of inner balance. It's a simple tool anyone can use to support mental clarity and overall well-being.